At 10 News Weather Authority from the JES Weather Center.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. Expecting a few passing showers to form later in the day tomorrow before we start seeing more rainfall early in the morning on Saturday. Sunday appears to be nice and dry for pretty much all of us, and then we'll start cooling down a little bit more here as we go into early next week. As for what we're going to see in terms of rainfall, it's time it all out for your futurecast. 6 p.m. tonight, cloud cover starts to move into the area, maybe a few isolated showers here or there, but overall nothing widespread whatsoever. By the early morning hours Friday, that cloud cover settles in, and then by 5 p.m., we see our first round of significant rainfall move through the region. Likely going to see the timing of this starting up between 3 to 4 p.m. and really starting to max out in terms of spatial extent by about 5. Going into Saturday, 1 in the morning overnight, expecting more rainfall coming into the area as that moisture really funnels into the region. By about 10 a.m., 59 degrees, and then we could see a couple rumbles of thunder here and there, possibly in some of those areas that run a little bit warmer for Saturday. But overall, just going to be looking at rainfall for most of us. As for high temperatures today, well, we're going to be looking about 60 degrees in Roanoke, Blacksburg 58, Bedford 57, Lynchburg 58 as well, Floyd at 54, South Boston and Danville, you're going to both be at about 61. Tonight, we're going to see temperatures drop down into the 40s throughout most of the area. Roanoke 44, along with Blacksburg, Bedford, and Floyd. Pulaski 46, Rocky Mount 45, and Danville at 46 degrees. Now, as we go into tomorrow, going to heat up to where we've been for the last few days. Temperatures about the 60s here throughout most of the area. Roanoke about 63, Blacksburg 64, Bedford 61, and Lynchburg at 66 degrees. Now, it's not just us experiencing those warmer than average temperatures, as it's pretty much the entirety of the eastern half of the United States. We could see record highs set in areas such as Pittsburgh and Cincinnati here going into Friday. But then Saturday brings in those temperatures that are going to be the warmest for us. However, Sunday, we're back down to seasonable conditions, 45 for your Sunday and 46 for your Monday, making for a rather cool start here to kick off next week. Next 7 days, bringing in temperatures, two very different halves of temperatures. Areas in the 60s here for the first half of, well, the last half of this week. And then we go into next week. Temperatures drop into the 40s to more seasonal conditions throughout our area, with sunny skies returning by Monday.